Good afternoon, dear friends, viewers, students, and learners. It is Tuesday today, and again I have appeared before all of you. And today I want to discuss with all of you about determiners. This is the part and parcel of grammar. So, grammar is most essential for everybody to write correct sentence in English. So let us discuss about determiners. Determiners are the words which are placed before noun to specify, qualify, quantify nouns. Determiners have been divided into four parts, such as article, demonstrative, possessive, and quantifier. So first and foremost, let me discuss about article. You know, article has been divided into two parts: definite article and indefinite article. So first of all, you should know indefinite article. An used in before singular noun. For example, Ram is a good boy. He is a tall boy. Here I would like to clarify a is used before consonant and n is used before the vowels. But some exceptionals are there. For example, he is dash hour late. Not our pronunciation. So here you have to write H is consonant, but pronunciation H is silent hour. So he is an hour late. He is dash European boy. Here EU consonant, but you have pronunciation European. So you have to write he is a European boy. And definite article. There is only one in this world. There you can use the. For example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon is shining in the sky. The Himalaya is situated in the north near Nepal. The principal of this school is very strict. Before material noun, definite article is not used. But if you want to use before material noun, then you can use. For example, the water of this well is very dirty. Here it specifically tells the water of this well. So in that condition, you have to use the water of this well is very dirty. The water of this glass is too hot to drink. Like that. Article. An, the. Basically, an singular number and the a definite article where there is only one person, very important person, only one sun, moon, Himalaya, etc. So I am not satisfied, and from 1st April I will teach with the help of whiteboard and marker. So my dear students, I have already given my contact number. If you want to join my class, you tell me your view at what time you are having convenient to join my class. And very confidently, I will give you clear concept in English from class 6 to 12th. Either it is CBSE, Jharkhand board or ICS board. I will teach from class 6 to 12th English. Now, let us discuss about demonstrative. What is demonstrative? Demonstrative indicates like this, very close. This is my book. That indicates distance. That is my book. Next, these are my books. Very close. Those are my books. This is called a demonstrative. Now, let us discuss possessive. Possessive means this book belongs to me, my friend, your, my, his, her, their. These are called possessive article. Possessive determiner. Now, last but not least, quantifier. Quantifier indicates such as each, some, many, much, etc. There is little, a few, the few. Such things are known as a quantifier. So, I think it is not only for students. Determiners are essential to know everybody, because everybody has to write an application, some articles in your life. So whenever you start writing English, determiners will help you. And if you use correctly determiners, then definitely your sentence will be very, very significant, correct, not incorrect. I have seen many students, many persons use wrongly determiners. That is why, by keeping that in my view, today itself I decided to discuss about determiners. So determiners plays a very significant role in the field of grammar. And grammar, without grammar, nobody can write correct English. And basically, I give a much more emphasis on grammar. So today, this is my class about determiners. And tomorrow, if a situation permits me, again I will come before you. And from 1st April, I will teach with the help of whiteboard, marker, and you can ask any questions from grammar, either it is a competitive examination or course, I am ready to teach you. With these words, thank you, my dear viewers, my dear participants, my dear friends. Thank you very much.